What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today, as you can see from that little edit, we are putting on the JQ Works adjustable paddle shifters. So I already have basically installed them, so what I'm actually going to do is tighten them up just a bit, just about hand tight with the Allen key, and then we're just going to give it a nice little test right after I'm done tightening it up here. So we're just going to try and make sure there's no wiggling or movement when you're touching the paddles. And that should be all. Basically, give it a few clicks, make sure everything's good. And yeah, time to button up back the steering wheel, which is really easy process. But I'll catch y'all in the next clip when I get it all buttoned up. And now that the steering wheel's all buttoned up, the fit and finish of these JQ Work paddles looks so good. And listen to this click here. Oh my gosh, this makes it 100% worth it. Like, they just sound so good. Like, we're just gonna test it out here, make sure we go up a gear, down a gear, all working good. But damn. And since they're the adjustable ones, I already adjusted them to my hand. So, like, honestly, it's just perfect. And as you could probably tell, I'm at a loss of words for this, but comparing to the old ones, like the acid orange was really cool and everything, but they just didn't provide that clickiness like that. Like, it just didn't provide that tactile feedback. So like, just listen to these clicks here from the old ones, and don't get me wrong, they're nice, they're sturdy, but they just don't provide that tactile feel. Where these, they let you know that you are going into that next year. So I highly recommend the JQ Works paddle shifters, especially the adjustable ones, just because you get that customization to basically personalize your paddle shifters for your hand. And definitely that is like a game changer, just because everybody's hands are different. And the other product I have for you guys is the CarbonX magnetic rear license plate holder, or frame, whichever you want to call it. But this product right here is definitely it. So you're basically asking yourself, what's the purpose for this plate holder? So basically, when you are washing your car and you dry it up and everything, but you have your plate on the back, you get those little watermarks that happen, right? Because it's stuck behind the plate. So basically now you're able to remove it while you are drying your car, which you don't get those snail trails or watermarks. So as you can see, I actually already have mine put together. So you can see the nice carbon fiber backing that they provide with the plate holder and those strong magnets. I did opt to go with the titanium bolts. So you have three options: the raw finish, the black finish, or the stainless steel ones. And since my plate only needed two, I put the extra in my GTS wing. But basically, you take your plate, put it here, self-aligns, snaps right into place. So basically now you have a magnetic rear license plate. So basically you just come and pull it right off, just like that. So it comes with some nice, really strong magnets like this. This ain't going nowhere, like, at all. And I can even demonstrate that for you guys right here. Look, I'm gonna take this and just slam my trunk. Didn't even budge. And like I said, this is perfect for anybody who is a detailing freak like myself, who just hates those running watermarks that come down all around your bumper. Like when you get to a meet and then you look at the back of your car and you have all those watermarks just flowing down at the bottom. Hate those. So basically, when you're just gonna go wash your car, you take off your plate and boom, you wash, you dry, you put this back on, and you don't gotta worry about those little snail trails happening. So I know you might be wondering, what if somebody wants to take my plate? Well, if they want to take your plate, they will take your plate regardless if it's magnetic or a regular screw-on, because that's just the world we live in. And it's sad to say, but that is the truth. But back to the product, honestly, it's a game changer for all detailing people, or even just photographers who just want to have a cleaner look at the back without a plate. Like myself, I take off my plate occasionally. So this is definitely something that is really nice to have. And honestly, with the ease of use of just taking it on and off whenever you feel like it is honestly amazing, and definitely highly recommend this. So I have a link for both products, the JQ Works paddle shifters and the plate frame, in the description below. So thanks guys for watching. Hopefully this helped you get some new mods for your F8X, G8X, whichever BMW you got. Take it easy. Peace.